I'll guide you through how to create Fiverr account. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Fiverr.com and click Become a Seller in the top right corner. Sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook. Next, choose Selling Services. When prompted, select your freelancer type, whether you're a solo freelancer, agency, or just starting out. Upload a clear profile photo, enter your full name, and write a short professional bio that highlights your strengths. After that, set your skills by choosing a category like graphic design, voiceover, or writing. Add relevant skills, languages you speak, education background, and any certifications. If you have a portfolio or website, include the link too. It helps build trust. Make sure your profile is at least 75% complete. Once that's done, create your first gig by writing a title, setting prices, adding a description, FAQs, and uploading work samples. That's it. You're now ready to start selling on Fiverr. Good luck.